Have you ever had someone say mean words to you?
Yes.
That's right. Words can hurt, but they can also heal. Hi friends, I'm Mr. Mike, and this is the Wonder Workshop. I'm so glad to have you here today. Let's wonder. Today we're talking about words. Words are powerful. They can make someone feel strong. They can make someone feel happy. They can make someone feel sad, but they can also make someone feel mad. The words you choose make someone's day. So let's remember that. I got a good idea. We also have a friend. Let's invite Lumi to tell us how words affect her. Hi, Lumi.
Hi friends, I'm Lumi. Can I ask you something? Have you ever heard mean words before? When someone says something mean, it makes me feel very sad. What about you? How do you feel when someone says mean words? Yeah, it doesn't feel good, but guess what words can also be kind? When someone says something nice, it makes me feel better again. With every word you say, you can spread joy. And with the joy you bring, there will be smiles. Your words have meaning. Use them to help, not hurt.
Wow, Lumi. Did you guys hear that?
Yes.
Right. Words can hurt, but they can also heal. It's up to you the words you choose. Oh. Does anybody know what time it is?
It's wonder time.
That's right. It's wonder time!
Let's go wonder time. Hey, let's go wonder now. Let's wonder. Hey, let's go wonder now. Hey, let's wonder. Hey, let's go wonder now. Hey, let's wonder. Let's go wonder now.
Okay, the wonder question of the day. Have you ever used kind words before?
Yes.
Right. With your parents? With your friends? With teachers? Everyone enjoys kind words. Let's keep practicing that, okay? And make sure that you spread love and smiles every day. Okay, now I need you all to stand up. Clap your hands. Let's use kind words. Lift someone up. Don't bring them down. Kind words turn it all around. That was fun, right? Now, let me ask you something. What are some kind words you can say to someone? Maybe you're a good friend, or great job, or I like how you did that. That was easy. Your words have power. You can use them to hurt, or you can use them to heal. Here at the Wonder Shop, we choose to heal. And we love smiles every time we see them. Thank you for spending time with me today on the Wonder Workshop. I'll see you next time. Bye.